Damn!
Hello guys, good morning. Happy
birthday, Maricel!
Mag-wish ka.
Wish you all the best. Keep safe always. Good health and stay beauty.
Maricel, happy birthday. Wish you all the best your heart desire. Sana matupad lahat ng mga gusto mo na pinagnanalangin mo sa nasa itaas. Sana ay laging malakas ang katawan, mag-ingat palagi at miss you. Maricel,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Boy, happy birthday! Maricel, happy birthday! Many birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ninong, Tita Sel. My birthday to come. Tsaka, God bless.
Kuya Boy, happy birthday. Titel, happy birthday. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang bati.
Happy birthday, boy! Ingat kayo, Rian.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. Happy birthday, Kong Pincel.
Hi, Sister Maricel. I wish you a happy birthday from England. I just woke up with a lot of dogs. So I wish you a good health, happiness, and more blessing to come, and stay safe and healthy. So God bless you always, and then I hope your dream will come true soon. And I love you. I miss you. Miss you, my sister. Love you so much. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you from England. Love you, sister. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Take care.
happy birthday sa'yo. Sana patuloy na lagi kang masaya, malusog. Syempre, happy. Kailangan natin yan dito sa malayong lugar sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Nawa matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Lalo-lalo na yung pangarap mong bahay. Nawa ay pagkaloob na sa'yo. Ganun din, ano pa ba? Basta lahat-lahat na. God bless you always. And happy birthday. Mama, chup-chup.
Happy birthday, girl. Oh, ha? Nadagdagan na naman ng isang taon ang edad mo. Salamat kasi naging kaibigan kita. Hindi man ako yung unang namit mo. Pero yung friendship naman natin, nasa 3 years na. Kayo ng kapatid ko, 4 years na kayo eh. Basta enjoy your day. Tandaan mo, lagi kami nandito para sa'yo. Kung may problema ka, nandito lang ako. Kami ng kapatid ko, kami ng mga kaibigan mo. Kahit wala na si sister mo, kahit wala na si Ate Lynn, andito naman kami. More blessing to come and good health. Ayun lang naman mawiwis ko sa iyo kasi may forever ka na eh. Andiyan na si Papa Michael. Happy birthday. Enjoy. I love you. Mama.
Hello friend, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Alam ko naman ang lagi mo pinagpe-pray nakasal kay Michael. Siguro hindi pa itong time, but later darating din ang time nyo para magpakasal. Hindi pa lang ito ang time ni God para sa iyo. More birthday to come. Sana malasing mo kami sa birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. BFF. Hindi ko nahabaan. May business pa ang lola mo. Happy birthday, friend. God bless. Bye-bye.
Michelle, happy birthday. Wish ko sana maligaya ka sa kaarawan mo at sana dadating na yung special someone mo dito para happy ka na at I hope na good health and stay strong and feeling sexy. Bye! I love you!
Happy birthday, Be! Hope you have a wonderful and great day today. Again, wishing you all the luck, not only today, but in the future. Again, happy birthday!
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday sa'yo, B. Maricel. Sana enjoy ka sa araw na to. Malaman ng iyong loved ones is nandito naman kaming mga kaibigan mo. Stay humble, pretty, and look-a-red all the time. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Be.
Hello, Be. Birthday mo na naman. Kala mo nakalimutan namin ah. Anyway, happy birthday, Be. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to at sana nandyan pa rin malusog ang pangangatawan mo, walang sakit at laging masaya lang lagi. Salamat dahil nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na magkakilala bilang magkakaibigan. Salamat, Be, dahil isa kang mabuting tao sa amin. Hindi lang sa amin ni Risa, kundi pati na rin sa ating taong bayan na grupo. Salamat sa lahat-lahat, Be. Sometimes may mga pangyayari na nagsasalo-salo tayo. Minsan merong pagkain, merong wala, pero nandyan tayo, nag-aambag-ambagan. Lalo ka na, mabilis kang or lagi kang nagbibit-bit ng pagkain na kung saan lahat nakikinabang. Salamat be sa lahat-lahat. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting tao sa amin. At happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to. Long live. At naway bigyan ka pa ng ating puo ng mahabang araw na kung saan makakasama mo yung mahal mo sa buhay, si Michael. Kaya happy birthday ulit be. Matanda ka na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi! Happy birthday! Sana ikaw na sumunod sa amin. Happy birthday! O yung kiss ko sa'yo, bibigay ko na lang sa asawa ko.
Ikaw may birthday pero siya yung masaya.
Sana sa susunod, sama-sama na tayo nandito. Antayin ko kayo. Sa mag-ingat kayo palagi. Miss you.
Gusto kayo dyan.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Kami dito, laging happy. Lalo na si Roda.
Sige, basta ingat lang. Dito lang kami. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Dito na naman tayo. Birthdayhan na. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Madam Marcel. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang na sana this year makakatikim na tayo. Ay, gulo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Maricel, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana malusog ka naman na, diba? Kasi tumataba tayo. At sana matupad mo na ang pinapangarap mong asawa. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Sel, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come there. I'm so sorry I got busy lately, but now I'll be greeting you happy birthday, more blessings and more birthdays to come in you. God bless and keep safe there.
Hi Tisel, happy 37th birthday. May the Lord God grant you all your heart's desire, good health ng lagi, more blessings to come, more candles to blow, and many more birthdays and return. Basta, happy love life as well. Good vibes lang tayo kasama taong bayan. Enjoy your day. Cheers! I love you!